You walk into a room. There are people everywhere. You're holding a drink. You don't know many people. And then someone is standing right next to you. You know you should say something, but your mind goes completely blank. And the silence just sits there. If that sounds familiar, this lesson is for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Pat, the place where you learn natural English for real life. I'm Pat, and today we are talking about one of the most difficult challenges English learners face: small talk. Specifically, what do you actually say when you don't know what to say? Stay to the end for a free downloadable PDF from today's lesson. Let's get into it. So first, why is small talk so hard? Here's what I think happens. When you're learning English and someone starts a conversation, your brain tries to translate everything from your language into English in real time. And by the time you find the right words, the moment is gone. Sound familiar? Yes, I thought so. But here's the good news. Small talk doesn't need big words. It doesn't need perfect grammar. It just needs a few simple, natural phrases and the confidence to use them. Today, I'm going to give you 5 phrases that will help you start a conversation, keep it going, and end it warmly, so you can use them right away. Let's look at them quickly before we hear them in action. Phrase number 1. Can't complain. This is a friendly, casual way to say, things are okay. It's much more natural than just saying, I'm fine, and it usually makes people smile. Phrase number 2. How are you finding it here? This is a warm, open question, perfect for a networking event or when you meet someone new. It shows you're interested in them, and it's easy to answer. Phrase number 3. Tell me about it. This one is used to agree strongly, to say, yes, I totally understand. It's a great response when someone shares a feeling or a frustration. Phrase number 4. That's actually really interesting. Use this to show you're listening and to keep the conversation going. It's natural, it's genuine, and it gives the other person confidence to keep talking. And phrase number 5. We should catch up properly sometime. This is a friendly, low-pressure way to end a conversation and leave the door open for next time. It's warm without being too formal. 5 phrases. Simple, practical, real. Now, let's watch Jordan try to use them. He's at a networking event tonight. He doesn't know many people, and he's about to have a conversation he was not expecting.
Big crowd tonight, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is. I wasn't expecting so many people.
Me neither. I almost didn't come, honestly. I'm May, by the way.
Jordan, nice to meet you. So, how are you finding it here? Like, the event?
Honestly, a little overwhelming. Everyone seems to already know each other.
Tell me about it. I've been standing here for 10 minutes trying to look like I'm checking my phone for a reason.
Oh, I did exactly the same thing by the door. I think I read the same email 3 times.
Okay, good. So it's not just me.
Definitely not just you. So, what do you do, Jordan?
I work in marketing. Digital campaigns, mostly. You?
I'm in product design. I just moved to this company about 2 months ago, so I'm still meeting people.
Oh, wow. How are you finding it? The new job, I mean.
It's good. A lot to learn, but the team is really supportive. It's just, starting somewhere new is always a lot.
Tell me about it. I remember my first few months. You feel like everyone else knows a secret you don't.
Exactly that. What about you? Have you been at your company long?
About 3 years now. It goes fast, honestly.
And do you enjoy it?
Most days, yeah. The work is interesting. We just launched a campaign for a new product. It's been intense, but it's been going quite well.
That's actually really interesting work. It sounds like you care about it.
Yeah, I think I do.
You know, I came tonight thinking I'd just grab a drink and leave early, but this has been really nice.
Same. Can't complain. I'm glad I did. I'm glad you said something first, honestly. I had no idea how to start.
The trick is just say anything. The weather, the crowd, anything. Once you start, it gets easier.
I'll remember that. Hey, we should catch up properly sometime. Maybe grab some coffee?
I'd really like that. Let me give you my number.
Great. And next time, I'll try to speak first.
I'll hold you to that.
Okay, did you catch all 5 phrases in that conversation? Let's go through them one by one. Phrase 1. How are you finding it here? This phrase worked beautifully when Jordan asked May, how are you finding it here? Notice, he didn't ask, do you like it? That's a yes-no question. It closes the conversation. How are you finding it here is open. It invites a real answer. And May gave one. She said it felt overwhelming. That became the connection point. You can use this phrase anywhere. A new job, a new city, a new event. It always sounds warm and genuine. Phrase 2. Tell me about it. Jordan used this twice, and both times it worked perfectly. When May said everyone seemed to already know each other, Jordan said, tell me about it. And when May said starting somewhere new is a lot, Jordan said, tell me about it. This phrase means I understand completely. I felt the same thing. It's not just agreement, it's connection. It says you're not alone in this. One important note, the tone matters. Say it warmly, with a small laugh or a nod. Don't say it flat. It can sound sarcastic if you're not careful. Phrase 3. That's actually really interesting. May said this when Jordan was talking about his job. She said, that's actually really interesting work. It sounds like you care about it. When someone tells you something, their job, their project, their idea, instead of just saying, oh, okay, or going quiet, you say, that's actually really interesting. The word actually is important here. It makes it sound genuine, like you really mean it, not just being polite. Phrase 4. Can't complain. When May said, this has been really nice, Jordan's response was perfect. He replied, can't complain. I'm glad I did. This phrase is useful in another way too. When someone asks, how are you? You can respond, I'm good, can't complain. It's honest, but positive. It says, things are okay. Not perfect, but okay. And it sounds natural, not robotic, like, I am fine, thank you. Try to avoid, I'm fine. It's not wrong, but it closes the conversation. Can't complain opens it. Phrase 5. We should catch up properly sometime. Jordan used this to close the conversation, and it was perfect. We should catch up properly sometime. This phrase does something clever. It ends the conversation, but it also continues it. It says, I enjoyed this. I want more of it, but no pressure. It's much warmer than just saying, nice to meet you, and walking away. And it's much less intense than, can I have your number? Even though that's exactly what happened next. Use this at the end of any good conversation, at a networking event, at work, anywhere. It leaves a great impression. So, 5 phrases. Let's say them one more time together. Say them out loud. Seriously, pause the video and say them. That's how they become yours. Can't complain. How are you finding it here? Tell me about it.
That's actually really interesting. We should catch up properly sometime. Okay, your turn. I'm going to give you 4 sentence starters. I want you to finish them, out loud or in the comments below. There are no wrong answers here. Ready? Number 1. I never know what to say when I meet someone new. I usually just... Number 2. One thing I always talk about with new people is... Number 3. Small talk is hard for me because... Number 4. The next time I'm in an awkward silence, I'll try saying... Write your answers in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're feeling brave, try using one of today's 5 phrases in a real conversation this week. Even once. See what happens. Well, that's it for today's lesson. And I really hope it helps the next time you walk into a room and your mind goes blank. Just say something. Like May said, once you start, it gets easier. I've put all 5, plus 15 more essential expressions with explanations and examples in a free downloadable phrase guide. Just comment guide below and I'll send it to you. And I want to hear from you. What is the most awkward small talk situation you've ever been in? Tell me in the comments below. And if you work in English, which of today's 5 phrases are you going to try first? If this lesson helped you, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Click here to watch the next one. I'll see you then. Keep practicing and speak with confidence. Bye for now.